I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic which is skin effect under the unit 5 plane electromagnetic waves, which is in the unit electromagnetic fields and waves studied by second year students in the 4th semester. Today I am going to discuss about the topic what is skin effect and how the skin effect will be caused, and after the skin effect how the depth of penetration will be in the electromagnetic field of the skin depth, and factors affecting the skin depth and the effect of the skin depth will be analyzed, and how the skin effect and skin depth will be reduced, and what are the methods will be used, and last we can discuss about the application part. The empathy part of the skin effect, which is the skin effect, which is the tendency of AC current, alternating current will be concentrate near the surface of the conductor. The conductor will be having a good conductors, dielectric conductors. The skin will be generated in the alternating current to concentrate near the surface of the conductors. The skin effect is mostly probably occurs when the skin and the electromagnetic will be penetrating in the higher frequencies, and it will be reduced when the skin effect will be occurs when there is a reduced effective cross sectional area, and when there is a increased resistivity and impact of the performance of a particular material which is affecting the overall performance of the system, then the skin effect will be occurs. And the definition part of the cause of skin effect, the skin effect will be directly induced due to the magnetic field increased, and the magnetic field will be related to the eddy current. The eddy current will be opposing the current in the inner region, outer region. Mostly the inner region will be affected related to the eddy current, and due to this eddy current and induced magnetic field, there will be a shift in the current in the surface of the conductors, and the induced electric magnetic field will be influencing directly the electrical behavior of a particular material, so that the skin effect will be occurs. And the coming to the skin depth part, the skin depth part will be mostly occurs in the reliable and efficient high frequency analysis. The skin depth we have already known that, which is related to the eta, which is equal to 1 by alpha, which is equal to square root of 2 by omega mu sigma, where the sigma is a conductivity. The skin depth will be analyzed due to the electromagnetic field which is penetrated up to 37% in the particular surface of the conductors, and it is mostly occurs in the high frequency circuits. And coming to the factors affecting the skin depth analysis, when there is a high frequency, the skin depth will be reduced. When the conductivity is increased, the skin depth is reduced. And permeability, which is mu, which is related to the relative permeability and the efficient permeability. When the permeability, which is related to the magnetic field, which is increases, the skin depth also be reduced. In the low frequency analysis, the skin depth will be high. In the high frequency, the skin depth will be less. The increased frequency will be lead to the decreased skin depth, and the decreased frequency will be lead to the increased skin depth analysis. And the factors affecting the skin depth, which is due to the high resistivity and the performance on the surface of the conductors, and power loss when there is a power loss increase, and when the surface of the conductor which is having the reduced efficiency, and the increased the higher resistance. When there is higher resistance, the automatically the particular electromagnetic field will be operating in the low frequency, and the reduced efficiency will be lead to the less efficient energy transfer from one material to another material. These are the impact of skin effect analysis. And ideate part, which is the method used to reduce the skin effect, we have to use the standard conductor. Slit spire can be used to reduce the skin depth, and also we have to increase the conductor diameter, and the hollow conductors will be utilized for reducing the skin depth. When there is a larger diameter, and the surface to volume ratio will be also reduced, so the skin effect automatically reduced. And coming to the application part of the skin effect, it is mostly used in RF circuits, transmission lines, and also used for shielding the particular material, and in the induction heating. And coming to the summary part of the skin effect, today we have discussed about the skin effect, the mathematical expression, and how the skin effect will be affected, and how the skin depth will be analyzed, and depth of the penetration of skin depth, and methods used to reduce the skin effect, and last we have discussed about the application part. These are the references. Thank you.